Welcome back, students. Now we are going to see the fifth function of management in the second chapter of OCM, that is coordinating. The previous class we studied about the fourth function, that is directing. Now the fifth function is called as coordinating function. In this function we are going to study definition and importance. Every function you are studying importance and definition. This question also they might ask in board examination for 10 marks. So let us see what do you mean by coordinating. Coordinating means bringing different functions together. Bringing different functions together. You know very well, in every organization, different levels are there, different departments are there. Each and every levels and each and every department will be doing different type of what functions or activities. But this should be brought together to achieve a single objective of a business organization. So bringing together of the combined efforts of each and every department, purchase department efforts, production department efforts, sales department efforts, everybody's efforts they are bringing together, then they try their level best to achieve a single objective of an organization. So that bringing together of activities is known as coordinating. Before explaining the meaning of coordinating, let us see, for example, the management people, they taken the decision regarding, they decided one goal to achieve. That is, this year we have to increase our sales. Why they are going to increase the sales? Because they come to know the demand for the company product is going on increasing in the market. So they conducted a research and market survey. After conducting the market survey, they come to know this demand for the product is going on increasing. How much product they are producing, that much is not enough for selling. So the top level people, they are deciding it is better we can increase the production in order to increase the sales. So the first information the top level will be giving to which one? Marketing department. Isn't it? So production should be increased by production department, but board of directors, they will fix the main goal. So the information will be given to which one? Marketing department, because that is looking after the sales. So marketing department, if they are keeping that instruction or information with them, they are not coordinating with any department. Is it possible to increase the production? Not possible. So it is better the marketing department has to coordinate with which department? Production department. Okay? Because production department is completely responsible for the production of activities, production of commodities. So, if the production department, they want to increase the production, what they have to do? They need raw materials. So, they will be coordinating with which one? Purchase department. In order to buy raw material or in order to buy additional machinery, etc. Then the purchase department, in order to buy the raw material, they need a sufficient amount of money. So, they have to coordinate with which one? Finance department. So, like that, the coordination is necessary, then only companies, the common goal they are able to achieve. Okay? You take example, group dance is there, group dance competition is going on. A particular dance is performed by 10 dancers. So if they want to get success means what? Among them proper coordination should be there. At the time of playing also, performing the event, they should coordinate with each other. The steps should go together. You take example cricket match or football match. There also, if they want to get the victory, the players' coordination is necessary. They are doing different tasks. For example, some group of people may be concentrating on batting. Some group of people will be concentrating on bowling, like that. But both of them, they should coordinate their efforts. Then only they are able to get the victory. So like that only in companies, if they want to coordinate, then they can get the victory in the business concern. So in simple we can say coordination means integration of different activities. By creating a good harmony. Harmony means what? Smooth functioning, without any dispute, without any conflict. Because wherever coordination is there, there we can find good relation. Okay? Good relation is not there means what? These people, they won't be talking with each other. They won't be sharing the informations. So it's better to coordinate with each other. So coordination is called as the integration and synchronization of the efforts. Integration means what? Bringing the efforts together. Synchronization is related with what? That is doing the activity in a smooth manner. For example, purchase department people, they have to connect their effort with the production department. You take example of orchestra. So many musicians will be there. They playing different type of musical instruments. If the song, if it want to become a melodious one, then everybody should play the instrument in a melodious or harmonious manner. So that work is done by one person who is called as what? Conductor. Then only the song will become very success. So like that. Okay, let us see the definition regarding coordinating. So the first definition is given by our father of modern management. He is known as Henry Furr. He is given the definition. Coordination is defined as to coordinate is to harmonize. To coordinate means what? To harmonize all the activities together in a smooth manner. All the activities of a concern. Concern means what? Business organization, to facilitate its working and its success. To do the working in a smooth manner for what purpose? In order to get grand success. So only production department is deciding, then the overall organization is not going to get the goal. Or a marketing department is working hard, then overall result they cannot achieve. Everybody should join hand to do the work together, then definitely the success will be coming. So that is the meaning of the definition. Another definition given by Mooney and Riley. He defined coordination is orderly arrangement of group of efforts. He is mentioning here coordination means what? Orderly arrangement of group efforts. Because in every organization, only except the sole trading concern, we can see in company form of business organization, number of people, number of individuals are there. Individuals will be forming into groups. And like that, so many groups are there, they are performing different type of task. Isn't it? So in such a situation, what they have to do? They have to combine their efforts together. My talents and other people's talent should join together, and we have to work hard for the success of the organization. Group efforts to provide unity of action in the pursuit of common goal. So everybody should join in a united manner, and united action they have to do. Action means what? Performance they have to do in the pursuit of what? Common goal. For what purpose? To achieve the common goal of the organization. This is the meaning of the second definition. Let us go for the importance of coordinating function. So the first important is called as coordination encourages team spirit. Yes, definitely it is creating team spirit. If team spirit means what? They are feeling unity strength. They are feeling what? All of one family, like that feeling among the levels, among the departments they are feeling. Okay, in every organization, group of individuals are there, as I told earlier. Sometimes different group of people are there means what? Definitely in every organization what we can find, some disputes or conflict will be coming with the relation to what? Policies, roles and responsibility. If one group of person, particular group is getting what? Heavy burden of work means definitely they will be making comparison with other group. So this may result into what? Some conflicts and disputes. Only the remedy for avoiding the conflict is what? That is coordination. If I am having any problem, if I am not openly telling about a problem to others, how I can tackle the problem? So, if you want to get a remedy I have to coordinate with the other people. So the coordination helps the organization to reduce the conflicts, and it will create what? Team spirit in the organization. And the second one is called as, it gives proper direction. Marketing department, they got proper direction from the top level. Board of directors, they given the instruction to them, isn't it? That's why the marketing department come to know this year we have to increase the sales. But that matter, if they're stopping there, will they come to know the production department? Is it possible to know about the information we have to increase the production? Not possible. So, if they want to fulfill this goal, the information, instructions or direction should be given from one department to other departments. So, the coordination result into what? Giving direction from one level to other level, or one department to another department. So, that is because of due to coordination, proper directions are possible. Wherever coordination is not there, then there is no chance for giving direction also. And the third importance is called as, coordination facilitates motivation. Second point what we studied, coordination results into proper direction. While giving direction to perform the work, then the superiors always, together with the direction, what they will do, they will be motivating the employees. The motivation of the employees, how they will be doing? In order to do the hard work, in order to do the work properly, or the company need proper growth and prosperity, then the company will be announcing job security also. Together with the job security, the company will not forget about the monetary benefits which are to be given to whom? Employees. So they'll be going on announcing, that is, the persons who are performing the task perfectly beyond the limit, beyond expectation, you will be given some extra incentives, or you will be getting this or the non-monetary benefit also. Okay, so like that what announcements are done means definitely the motivation will be coming in the mind of its people, employees. So coordination results into motivation. And the fourth one, coordination brings optimum utilization of resources. Because the board of directors, they given the instruction, this year we have to increase what? The sales into 5,000 tons of material. Last year we are able to sell 3,000, this year 5,000. So the quantity of sales already they informed to which department? Marketing department. So the marketing department, that information they will pass on to whom? Production department. So the production department manager, he knows very well, that is, in order to produce 3,000 tons of material last year, we used this much raw material. Now we have to produce 2,000 extra tons. So how much additional raw material should be used? How many extra laborers are required? Everything they know, because each and every department is headed by the specialized people. So on the basis of specialization, even they will be giving instruction to the subordinate also in which manner? In a proper manner. So this will result into optimum use, because they are calculating very well this much quantity by which you can complete the task. That instruction also given. So the subordinates will be using the resource in such a manner according to the instruction that will result into optimum utilization of resources. This will reduce what? Wastage. Wastage comes down, definitely we can say reduction in cost of production. Then it will increase the profit of the business concern. And next point is called as achieve organizational objective. Why all these things are done? Planning is also done to achieve the goal. Then organizing is done to achieve the goal. Staffing is also done to achieve the goal. Then direction is also given to achieve the goal. Like that only. Even coordination function also the managers are doing for achieving the goal of the organization. Achieving the goal of the organization. Because the company's intention is what? They want to reduce the wastage of resources. And they want to avoid the disputes among the people. They need to do the business in a smooth manner. This will result into what? Very easy to achieve the goal of organization, because business is going very smoothly without any disputes. No hurdles are there. So everybody is doing the work correctly. So very easily they can achieve the objectives, because mingling the people are mingling each other, they're coordinating each other, they're combining the efforts each other. So definitely it will create a good path for the success of organization. Next is, it improves relation. I told in the beginning, wherever relation is there what? We can find what? Coordination. For example, in between the departments what? Some disputes are going on. Will they try for coordination? No. But if they are taking effort, they are putting effort, we have to bring coordination, bring a better result among the department, because our intention is to achieve the goal. So they will try to coordinate with each other. So if they are trying to coordinate with each other, definitely what will happen? A better relation will arise in the organization among the department and also among the levels of organization. Then it leads to higher efficiency. Coordination leads to higher efficiency. The higher efficiency is the result of optimum utilization of resources. Isn't it? If they are using the resources in optimum manner, I told, in every function we are seeing, optimum use of utilization of resources will result into what? Reduction of wastage. Understand? So reduction of wastage is coming, then people will be able to produce the article at lower cost. Understand? So the lower cost is coming, and also it will be giving a high rate of return to the organization. That means high amount of profit to the organization, because expenses are very less here. The higher return of organization is due to what? High productivity. So in short, I can say, due to what? Optimum utilization of resources, what is happening? Higher efficiency. How it is happening? Because people are using the resources in optimum manner. All the resources, not only raw material, I can say, all the 4 M's I can say, men, material, machinery and money. Everything they are using perfectly. So if they are using perfectly, what will happen? Then wastage will come down. They will be giving importance to TQM. TQM means what? Total quality management. No rejection of commodity will be coming. So this will lead into better profit for the business concern. So that is higher efficiency. Next importance is, coordination improves goodwill. Because goodwill means, you know very well as a commerce students, goodwill is the intangible assets of the company. Isn't it? We cannot see, we cannot touch also. Only we can feel. That means goodwill means it is a reputation of the company. So it is improving the reputation of the company. How? Because they are using the resources in which manner? Optimum manner. And also they are reducing the cost. And good relation, because of due to coordination, what is happening? Good relation is happening in the organization. All these good things leads to increase in profit. It increases the share value, isn't it? Because especially in case of company, profit increases. Every year profit is going on, increases. That reflection we can find in the share market. The share value also, market value of the equity share will be going on, increasing. That is increasing because of due to what? Good reputation in the share market. About the company, a good reputation is there. That's why people are competing each other to buy the share. Okay. So this will result into goodwill. Then the 9th point is called as unity of direction. So direction, unity of direction is one of the important principle given by Henry Fell. What we studied? Direction means guidance or instructions. As per Henry Fell, what he told? Group of people doing similar type of task, they will be getting, they have to get the instruction from only one head. Understand? One head, one plan principle. That is told by Henry Fell. Here also, the head is not coordinating with the subordinate. Is it possible to get unity of direction? No. So, for giving unity of direction also, what is playing an important role? Coordination is playing an important role, because the head should coordinate with the subordinate to give the instructions. This will bring a harmonious situation in the organization. So, they can achieve the goal very fast. And the last one is specialization. I told several departments are there. Will you think that in the inefficient people are appointed as the head for department? No, not at all. Usually whenever they are appointing one head for a department, very experienced person or experts are appointed in the field. Okay? Marketing department is headed by a marketing manager. Production department, production manager. Under them, so many juniors will be working. So, every position is in the hands of specialized people. Isn't it? So, all the department heads are experts. So, these experts will be bringing a march towards the growth and success for the organization. They will lead the organization towards the success path. These are the importance of coordinating. And the last function is called as controlling, that we can see in the next session. Okay, thank you very much for listening.